Adcraft's DF6L electric fryer is a great light-duty product for a restaurant, concession, deli, and even for home use. It can be used for the special of the day or as an additional side unit so the oil in the main fryer is not contaminated by another product. The fryer is constructed of stainless steel and can cook 15 to 20 pounds of product per hour. The tank holds up to 6 liters of oil and has interior graduation markings which denote a min-max point for the oil. Adjustment in the quantity of oil will be dependent on the amount of food being prepared. A power indicator light will go on when the unit is turned on. A temperature regulator heats the food to the desired temperature and lights up a yellow hot light which shows when the desired temperature has been reached. The adjustable thermostat allows for cooking between 120 and 370 degrees. For safety, an automatic shutoff feature cuts power to the unit when the oil has reached a maximum temperature of 446 degrees. A second safety feature is the automatic micro switch on the bottom of the unit head. This will cut power to the fryer if the head has been separated from the base of the unit when powered on. The fryer has a 6-foot cord with a standard 120-volt NEMA 515 plug. It puts out 1750 watts and should be connected to a dedicated 15-amp circuit for maximum performance. The fryer comes complete with a collapsible basket, stainless steel cover for when the unit is not in use, and a removable raised wire grate which protects the heating coils. The head and heating coil assembly is also easily removable. Drop handles are provided for easy removal and cleaning of the tank. Adcraft also offers a double tank version, model DF-6L/2, which allows the user to make twice as much product in a small amount of space. Each tank comes with a separate electrical cord which should be plugged into its own dedicated circuit. Both models are UL and NSF listed. Please read and follow the instruction manual that is enclosed with each unit. We suggest that a hood be used when using either item indoors.